Civic is an important gateway vehicle to the Honda brand, and for nearly 5 decades, it has been one of the most popular vehicles in America. Now our all-new 11th generation Civic will raise the bar again in design, fun-to-drive spirit, fuel efficiency, safety, performance, and more. In short, it's our best Civic ever, created with a modern interpretation of timeless Honda values and design philosophy. This means an intense focus on serving the needs of the driver and passengers, a human-centric approach that has always been a hallmark of Honda design. These timeless design concepts are delivered in a fresh and exhilarating new way. We had an incredible development team behind this new Civic, and now I'm happy to share with you key elements of what they created. Inspired by classic elements of past Civics, you can really see how Civic's new, thin and light body has taken shape. We've stretched the wheelbase and adopted a cleaner, more sophisticated look. As you can see, this new front end emphasizes its low and wide stance, with strong horizontal elements, new LED headlight graphics, and a more upright grille. Lowering the hood and belt line emphasize Civic's wheels and tires. We've also moved the A-pillars back about 2 inches, together with a longer hood for a more premium silhouette. These changes also add visual stability and give Civic a planted sporty stance that's amplified by a sharp center character line that runs the length of the vehicle, and this upswept character line that adds a sense of motion even when standing still. In back, the low and wide stance gives Civic a planted look that communicates its performance capabilities. Our development team widened the rear track for a more muscular stance, while the new taillight graphics emphasize the width of the car. The upswept deck lid not only adds to Civic's sportier look functionally, it improves dynamic stability and aero efficiency. Once inside, you can really see our human-centered design philosophy take shape. Sitting in this car reminds me of my first Honda, a 1991 Civic, because the overall design is classic Honda. The interior is totally transformed with its simple ergonomics and exceptional visibility, creating a refreshingly clean and uncluttered view of the road ahead. Those thin, pulled-back A-pillars, low cowl, and door-mounted side mirrors create a panoramic view with an overwhelming feeling of openness. This uncluttered look is augmented by a wide instrument panel with minimal cut lines. High-quality materials are used throughout, with a special emphasis on key customer touchpoints and close attention to the action of the switchgear. This new finish on the center console retains a premium look but resists fingerprints. And my favorite part of Civic's all-new interior is this metal honeycomb mesh panel that spans the dash. It isn't just cool looking, it hides the air vents for a fresh and clean design. Another classic Honda value is simple to use, and our interior design team created this cabin with an intense focus on simplifying things. Everything should fall into place when you get into a Honda, so everything is where you expect it to be. We've prioritized functions that are frequently used, such as audio volume, making it easily accessible by either the left hand with the steering wheel control or the right hand with a no-look physical volume control knob that's intuitive to use. Even the shifter is canted slightly toward the driver to improve the user experience. And at the center of the Civic's instrument panel is a new 9-inch touchscreen with the Touring trim. This system has been improved with an eye-to-word quicker recognition, communicating accurate information in the shortest amount of time and intuitive operation, enabling the driver to operate it smoothly with a simple layout and graphics and key functions available with fewer layers. Plus, for the first time on Civic, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration are available. And the Touring trim level is equipped with a 12-speaker Bose premium audio sound system that sounds truly amazing. The driver's instruments are also digital, a first for Civic, making it simple for drivers to customize the readout and display as they like. And check out this cool new function. As part of Civic's new all-digital dash for the Touring trim, the on-off status of the vehicle's lights are shown on the display, including brake lights and turn signals. Of course, we're talking Civic, so we wanted to make it the most fun to drive Civic we've ever made. Under the skin, the suspension, steering, and brakes have all been optimized to further improve the legendary best-in-class handling and ride comfort, something you'll notice the moment you take the wheel. This 11th gen model advances the already class-leading body construction and materials to reduce noise and vibration and elevate the driving experience. Powertrain refinements improve performance, fuel economy ratings, and drivability. And Civic's 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder gets a power boost to 180 horsepower and 177 pounds-feet of torque. Careful refinements to the powertrain also help reduce noise and vibration. We've also made changes to the CVT transmission to make the Civic even more responsive and refined. And we've added available drive modes, including Civic's first Sport mode. Importantly, these updates to Civic's powertrains have resulted in improved fuel efficiency, even with the additional power from the turbo engine. Civic has always been a leader in advancing small car safety performance, and this all-new model will continue that legacy by setting a new standard for both active and passive safety. Civic's body structure is stronger than before, with collision safety augmented by multiple new airbag technologies. This includes new front airbags for both the driver and the passenger, designed to reduce head rotation to help reduce brain injuries, especially in oblique collisions. We've also enhanced our Honda Sensing suite of safety and driver assistive technology through the use of a single camera system that expands the view. And we've added new features like traffic sign recognition, traffic jam assist, and low-speed braking control. There you have it. Honda's all-new 2022 Civic has been created with an intense focus on the brand's timeless values and design philosophy, augmented by intuitive technologies. The result is a Civic that raises the bar in every way. Oh, and it's the most fun to drive Civic we've ever made.